To create a histogram, start by selecting the data in column A, then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts dialog box, select the histogram option and click OK. Excel will generate a histogram chart based on your data. To customize the histogram chart, you can use the Chart Tools tab on the ribbon. Here, you can change the chart type, add or remove data series, and adjust the chart layout and formatting. You can also add labels and titles to make the chart more informative. When you're finished customizing your histogram, remember to save your workbook. You can also copy and paste the chart into another worksheet or document. And that's it. You now know how to make a histogram in Excel. This can be especially useful for visualizing data distributions and identifying trends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the free playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.